Hello success seekers and welcome to Furetastic. So one of my viewer asked if you should respect your teacher or not. So let's talk about it, but in a detailed way. So first things first, we are not going to talk about respecting teachers on the basis of their personal things or whatever. So respecting teachers falls under how he treats you or your whole class. So if we see in an eco way or say in a net of life, we can see that teachers are teaching us because they need money and we are paying because we want to learn how to earn money. So in that way everyone's same. That's why I don't wanna involve it in an aspect of respecting them, and that's where the passion comes in. I can't deny the fact that some schools have teachers that aren't even qualified for teaching the respected subject, yet they do. I can give you my example. I had a social teacher who wasn't a social teacher. What the hell is this dude saying? She was an English teacher who was teaching social. Without any skill and without any passion, maybe just for the income she was teaching us. I can't just say this in our perspective, but if someone was her, they would have done the same. But do you really need to do it? Maybe the school had some financial crisis? Yeah, this can be valid, but playing with a student's future is not so fun. And when a teacher enters class without any passion of teaching or without any skill, plus if he have some weird behavior or communication skill to be mixed with his students, that's a part of teacher I don't respect. Point number 2. If the teacher doesn't treat every student the same, I don't care how much skill he has or whatever talent, that's the type of teacher I don't respect. I have seen teachers just asking the one who gets good marks or whatever that whether they understood a topic or not, and other students are like shit to them. If you are a teacher, never do that to any student. It doesn't matter whether the student has been failing or getting less marks or from years. At least be a good person to them. Take the first step and have the courage to say those are the students who needs to get good marks instead of the students who already gets good marks. Point number 3. Beating students or embarrassing them in front of school. I don't know why this is so prevalent in Asian schools, but I personally don't think that beating student can improve them. Now when I say that, I really mean it, because I have experienced it. Let me share with you. It was in 7th grade, I guess. A teacher once beat me for not completing my homework. The mindset that I had, what does that mother thinks of himself? Like he can really beat me. Let's see what does that idiot do if I don't do it again. I will now never do his homework. Now that was actually my mindset. And another example was I didn't complete my homework. I guess it was English. Damn, I'm being nostalgic. But anyway, he told me that it's a competition with no one but yourself. And remember that you're cheating none other than yourself. Now you may think that it's a classic teacher giving lecture or whatever to you, but it had 100% difference than teacher who beat me. Now when you're with your friends, it's always fun. But yeah, when you get alone, that's the time to think about it. And yeah, he was right by saying I'm cheating myself and it's a competition of yourself to keep yourself up like an inclined plane. So yeah, those were the points or say characteristics of teachers that I don't respect. But hell yeah, when it comes to giving you knowledge, building up your future, you have to respect them. Even from their perspective, accept the mindset that I mentioned above, they work hard, work every day to make your good future. Because teaching ain't an easy job, you need to have much courage to control those much students in a single class. Also because when people are with their friends, they don't think individually but grouply. That's where it gets really hard. Shouting whole day and not caring about their vocals. And also remember the meme about the math teacher, how he comes to school no matter what. Think about it. That's the person working really hard, like not even taking breaks. Teachers are really respectable no matter what. There's a point where you lose respect for someone like the mentioned points, but from a different perception, like the one caring only about the good marks getters, are respected by those special students. So yeah, that's the end of the videos, fellas. If you rock with the content, then subscribe to the channel. I didn't mention about teachers being funky or harassing girls because those are the teacher whose mouth needs to be cut. Anyway, share the video, like the video. See you on the next one. Goodbye. Peace out.